We have people who've lost weight, people who've lost inches, people who now are just having awareness of what they're eating through keeping a food journal. We also have participants who've been able to cut back on medications.
I've lost 20-some pounds already. I'm much more active. I want to get out and do things.
The Smart Portions program is a wonderful program for adults to find out more about a healthy weight, a healthy lifestyle, getting rid of fad dieting, and actually adopting a healthier lifestyle.
I've wanted to lose some weight for some time. I used to be pretty heavy, well over 200 pounds. But what I found is that this program is different than a lot of other programs. It combines eating correctly and exercise.
So we actually offer 8 lessons in the Smart Portions series. Each one has a specific topic that we cover. For instance, we talk about the food guide. We also talk about dietary guidelines. Exercise is included in each lesson. Food journaling. We talk about body image as well and having a positive body mindset. A negative mindset on diet or exercise can certainly affect your results. We talk about being mindful of what we eat and feeling full. A lot of our participants say that this is the first time they've ever felt full or hungry, because so many people go through the day and automatically eat at certain times. So they're actually, through this program, they're able to feel full, feel hungry, and know what those feelings are and respond to them.
I don't need to feel full when I leave the table, but I'm not hungry. So big change in what I perceived a diet was.
We also offer support systems, so people in the class learn and grow together. They also exercise together, so as a group, we exercise together. We offer support to one another on this journey.
So I've increased my exercise to approximately, I would say on average, about a half an hour a day.
Temperature raises, fluid gets into the joints, you feel so good moving.
So in the class, we're not only learning about smart portions, what portions you should eat in a healthy diet. We also do food demonstrations and we try the recipes.
That's the difference. I feel better, do better, more active. I don't know what else I could ask for.
So for our participants, the benefits include weight loss, inches lost, as well as journaling and more awareness of the foods that they're eating. Eating a more healthful diet. We've had a great success with people adding more fruits and vegetables to their diet, as well as whole grains. And a lot of them have switched from full fat to low fat or skim dairy, as well as leaner proteins.
I'm all for it. I think it's a great program, and I think it's going to be very easy to continue on. And I think it's so much better. So much better. I feel better.
It's been amazing and so rewarding to see our clients track their progress each time and see the pounds lost, and that this isn't just a fad. This is making lifestyle changes for the rest of their life. We know through our clients that have finished the program, this program works.